Hello friends, welcome to A Shot of Code. Today we're looking at lazy loading of images. Now there's lots of packages out there that have been used for some time to allow this, but we've now got a native implementation in Chrome, and that's what we're going to be looking at today. So I'm just going to create a very simple project with about 10 images on, and we can see how they come down when we use this new attribute loading equals lazy. So let me put this together, I'll speed this bit up, and then we can have a look at the results. Okay, so let's have a look at what we created here. I've just got a very simple index.html, and in here we've got 10 pictures of a puppy, my puppy, and I've uploaded that to GitHub, and then Netlify is hosting this page. So when we look at the page here now, we'll just leave those there. We can see we've got the 3 images here. They're quite big. They're about 6 meg each. So not totally realistic that, but it shows the time that it takes to bring them down. Now if we look at this at the moment, they're all coming down. If I refresh this page again, we'll notice smudge 2, 7, all the way up to 10. Let me close that off. They're all coming down regardless of whether they're visible on the page or not. So only the first 3 here, 1, 2, we've got 3 images. The others we don't really need to download yet. So there might be a button here to log in and move to another page, and you might never see those images. So for someone who's paying for the amount of data they're downloading, that could be an issue for them, especially if you're going to put images of this size up there. Right, so what can we do? You can use a library. There's various libraries out there that can do this, but this is a lot easier than finding a library and using it. Only in Chrome at the moment, but we can do loading equals lazy. So I'm just going to put that onto each of these, like so. Alright, now if I push that up now, so let's add that into GitHub. Like so, and push it up. That should get pushed to our website from GitHub to Netlify. So if I now do a empty and reload, we shouldn't see all of these pages being loaded. All of these images being loaded. So what have we got at the moment? We've got smudge 1, that's coming down. We've got smudge 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, that's coming down. but it hasn't downloaded 8, 9, 10. So there's internal to the browser, and this will vary between browsers. It's bringing them all down. I have seen this before, and it takes. Let me just check if that has. Okay, it hasn't uploaded my change yet. So we pushed it up. I'm not sure how long continuous integration takes with NetFlight. Let's try it again. Okay, we've got lazy loading on here now. Let's go back to the network tab. Which ones have we got coming down now? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it going to get them all again? It's going to 7 at the moment. It should leave the others. No, it's bringing them all down again. Alright, and that's with it on. That definitely says loading lazy. So let's reopen this site and try it in here. Okay, what are we going to get this time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're all pending. It's bringing them all down. I'm going to set the width and height on these. See if that makes a difference. So let's say height added. Because I've certainly seen before in the console, it's talking about no dimensions specified. So that might confuse the algorithm on trying to work out which ones to pull in. So let's pull them all in again there. Alright, so let's do empty cache reload. See what we get this time. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't see 8, 9 and 10 now though. So I'm picturing the algorithm has decided, okay, let's bring in the first 7 and let's leave the others because they're far enough beneath the fold that we don't need them yet. So if I start to scroll down now, will we get smudge 8 popping in? There it is. So just with a little scroll down, it's decided to bring in smudge 8. We'll scroll down some more. We should see smudge 9. Okay, so it's definitely working, and it's basing that on it's basing it on how far the images are beneath the fold, and also your connection speed as well. I don't think you can change any of these, but it's definitely working. It's definitely not brought in those last ones. So if I scroll all the way down now, we should get smudge 10. And there comes smudge 10 in at the end there. So pretty good. It's only in Chrome at the moment, but all we've got to do is add that loading a lazy attribute, and all of that is provided for you. You can feature detect this if you want to pull in the lazy loading library for other browsers, or you can just do it as a progressive enhancement, and it just works in Chrome, and the other browsers it just loads in until they get this this functionality added as well. So there you go, lazy loading in Chrome. Hope that was interesting. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe if you want to see some more, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.